Mwakwa by the Violent Texas and your first time our channel is make sure to subscribe to your channel and want any post notification on so that anytime we are release videos and I say update we are making on this particular channel on YouTube for the more notification. Okay. So we share video where I make sure so you'll be try so finding out and I say you'll be our tips and then guidelines are which may make you like money or access hide hustling or online. Okay. So you're signing point then make sure to subscribe to the channel because our channel is that akonya na say that service na I'm providing more share video. Okay. So since I'm bringing video on the video in better akonya obefa so abet me make this access side hustling. Okay. So better akonya abet me access so make this with the use of just an app. Okay. So our app way to know sika na be generating your ways and then like or different other alternatives I bet may use that particular money now will make it or this particular app. Okay, so let's make you see whether if a person redraws you can announce a person fan to or that specific app. Okay, and after so that particular app app like our watch any more small apps now for the app just to like draw others' attention and from call the app. Okay, this particular app app actually I think common use iOS which is great for my baby on very first is also upgrading because like that extent now to me upgrading. Okay, so when I actually say the app is like app actually okay and I have to say legit. If you are really interested there and then make sure special video to the end, no follow steps and then guidelines now so that won't miss out any step here. Okay, won't miss out a step and never to me how because quite a first be a kind of person on your drawer and then you start how. Okay, so app never using within the sweat point. Okay, this particular app like a training app. Okay, a training app. All right, so we call it app store and a play store. Now I download the app and now create account. Wait to make create account with iCloud account and I say be our Gmail account. Wait me use and I say Google account. Wait me they create. Okay, so to create your account now there are so many alternatives or that particular app. Wait me there. Okay, the way I will create your app account or app like simple. Just they will ask you a question, no affiliate, and then we don't hear any other different like information baby. Yeah, okay. So what's signing up about app anymore? Okay. Now the only thing I'm very question I said the only tax on baby or one say just move steps like 90, jogging, run, like steps now we're making it, and then that steps and now I'm generating it into coins amount. Okay, that steps now we're making it, I'm generating into coins. That coins means like in points rather. Okay, so points I'm generating amount. All right, so that particular point now I'm generating amount. Like the thing is, the more I will making steps, the more I make steps, the more generating that point number. So this is an opportunity for people who are like really interested in like early morning jogging and stuff because an answer about record jogging now with our phone. Most of you guys I know who do phone and you can not like they share when okay. So at that particular time now about record jogging, you just make sure say app like it's on. Okay, they're on. Alright. Now just that steps will make it. I didn't say the moment I download the app, I'll be creating an account where the app is on. Alright. So and then say background app refresh, no better on. Okay. So turn it and on. And then say you make steps. You call jogging on until you call be out our phone. That steps normal generating into points amount. Alright. So that particular points normal generating amount now. If say there's a store or app which me this coins not party or that coins air discount. There are some products and normal amount for coins mentor. Okay. The only thing I'm betting I they are say that point now when you number say because of that point into amount discount or I don't know about it. And then the thing is point number man it goes up say it's you do almost like 70 and then 80. Okay, so basically a lot of discounts over that particular app, and then there are different products are on the app, so I bet me data points at all. Okay, so there are other things like referring your code to others and to let me make it start. Your referral code or that particular app, no bet me refer more down, and then also another way I bet me make it start. So make sure say just like the best any amount and and then also now we make it. Now obi obeka say point now me generate me person me dey better than me person me dey like me dey request for point discount. Okay, open in money. Okay, now the only way is to bet me I withdraw this particular app. Nothing to say this particular app no I'm request for any like bank account via say for the Giska, like they don't pay in like money as in say no, the only thing I'm here is at that point no bet me create Bitcoin account. Okay, so point account now. Okay, now this account ID no I share like payment details number requested for that ID. Now they are share now they share her in the form of Bitcoin. Okay, and then you say Bitcoin money. Okay, now converting echo Bitcoin more. Okay, now after the Bitcoin what on now that's the kind of one probably there. Okay, so say we gain a lot of money. The only thing now be say you train, alright. You make steps, say Ube make step day in day out, alright. So we call jogging, we call this is a very simple way of to make it start or online. So that very much that particular tip. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, not any post notification on so that the next video is watch it. And then also if you try to say like go through app, there are some questions I say will be some. Make sure to do in our comment section. Make sure to attend to the particular question I'm on. Gracias.